tell me, yeah, that we trusted each other, I really cared about us. About the long talks on the balcony, walking under the night sky. Start to think that it really wasn't the right time to be open, share about my feelings and thoughts. So I was hoping we'd be looking back on something that wasn't broken. For our own sake, we should have thought more about what was really at stake.
Hey guys, so I really hope you enjoyed that video. I certainly love flying the spot. It was incredible, and yeah, just always love meetups, meeting up with new people, flying with new people, because I'm always really flying alone and it gets boring after a while, so it's nice to meet up with people to fly. I've got a quick announcement to make, which I've been meaning to make for like so long, but yeah, I've been picked up as a team pilot for Mantec, which is just absolutely incredible. So you're my first sponsor, so thank you so much to Mantec. I bought my first ever quad from your store, and yeah, been amazing ever since. Always dispatching orders the same day, and just brilliant. They even helped me with my DJI goggles when they couldn't get activated, and they was like, we have an FPV drone, we'll activate it for you. So thank you so much to Alex and all the team there. They're doing an absolutely incredible job. The best store in the UK. So yeah, where have I been? I've not really been uploading or flying a lot, but I've been working on a few things behind the scenes, new projects, and also perfecting the setup, the 5-inch setup. So yeah, we're gonna run new props, running a new action camera, running new firmware, running a new flight controller, new tune. It's just amazing. I really much prefer it over the previous setup with the Hero 8. And now we're switching to the Action 2. It's a lot better than I thought. I thought it was going to be absolutely trash, but tried it and I really like it. So yeah, I really hope you guys stick around, and I'm sorry for not uploading so much, but we're going to be getting back into it, and I'm excited to serve some new videos. Also, I've got the new Gemfan S-Bang props, which are really good. I really like them. So we're going to be doing a quick first impressions, maybe review of them, compare them to previous props I was flying. But yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.